Alright, we were, on the last video you saw that I was setting up and laying out the backbone on the table here. This next video, I show you a little bit more of running the wires and installing the video and how it's going to be laid out. The pain of installing it, it was a big job, a little bit of a big job running the wire from the engine compartment to the helm. So I showed you that. I'm showing you that on this video. The last video I kind of showed you the layout, like laid out on the table. So this is kind of like part 2 from the last video. So if you watching this video, you may want to go to the previous video, which I'll show you a link. There'll be a link in my description to that next video, that last one. Alright, well, I'm going to try to get as much done as I can here. Sun is blazing today. I think it's about the hottest week of the year we're going through. It's about 92, 94. The real feel is like over 100 right now. I'm trying to get a little bit done at a time. Sometimes I get a little bit more going towards the evening right now. But I putzed around a little bit last night. And I took this box out, and I reached up underneath here by hand, nothing you could see with the camera, and I attached this cable to the Garmin, and then also over here I took the old unit out. It's just 4 screws and a couple wires connected to the back. So I've got that last night, and then today I'm going to try to get the cable ran from the dashboard into the engine room is what I'm going to be working on today. Also, unfortunately, the new unit, the existing hole in the dash here is too small, so I'm going to have to open that up too, and I'll have the camera rolling when I get to that. But that's where I'm at so far. I didn't get much done. Right here, this used to be a Loran in here, Lowrance, and I had a friend of mine make this up on a 3D printer. I got rid of the Lowrance, old technology. We don't use that no more. And then I put this box in here and a couple screws, and it comes in handy once in a while. Make a little bit of an access point. I'm planning on putting the backbone back in here, right behind this box here. So should be able to reach it if I ever need to get in there and add to it or any repairs or anything like that. So we'll get going in a few minutes. It's a little warm right now. Okay, I might have found a way to get this done. Have a locker right here, and inside the locker there's this panel that's screwed to the wall here. I've undone that, and if you can see, there's a hole that goes right through here that goes forward to the underneath the like the, I don't know, the chart rack. So it's going to go back behind there and then down through here, and that'll go into the engine compartment. I started routing the cable up underneath the dashboard, but I don't see how it's possible for me to push that cable back and try to make that hole without a fish tape. I don't have a fish tape here with me right now. But this could be a good starting point where I can push the wire forward and then catch it through the speaker hole and then route it in behind the dashboard underneath it. And then it'll be easy to drop the other end through the hull, through the deck, and then I should be able to catch that into the engine room. So we'll put the camera down. I'm going to try this out and see how we can do this. Okay, I literally had to take this panel off out of the side to reach that. The cable got caught underneath a second level and up and around another cable. But now I should be able to access this and get underneath the dash. So if you ever want to do this, don't waste your time. Take the seat off, get the panel out. It's the only way you're going to be able to reach it. Alright, so getting the wires run slowly. I think the next thing I have to do is I have to open this hole up. This unit is much bigger than the old one as far as the back goes. I'm just going to slide this back. Start trying to make a template here. There we go. Give you a little template on here. I might use this a little bit, but I think I'm going to trace the gasket. I think I have more luck with the gasket right now, though, just because of it's already an existing hole there. It'll be easier for me to see like this to get it centered and where to cut on the hole. So I am going to trace this out and wish me luck. Even if I just start them, I think it's good enough. Not gonna worry about tightening them down. Just get them started. All the screws are lined up. So I can drill the other two bottom holes. This piece here, this will go over here and cover those screw holes. I'm going to save that for last. Next I have to do is hook the cable up here and find some power. So plan on using this switch here and see if we can tap into it, and then we'll run the cable over here, and then I'll clean this up too when we get it all up and running.
I've been waiting for you. Come with your friends and show me something new. Hey, yeah, it's a hell of a time. This world's insane, but we gon' be alright. The door is open, my light is on. Blow up your speakers when the bass drop. I feel elated, everyone should. this is some kind of ride. Just leave your worries on the other side. Come on, we got all that we need. I'm gonna make some noise while I am young and free. The sky is open, the stars are up. We got each other, and that's enough. Just feel elated,